A cultural program marking the birth centenary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was held on Sunday at the Assam Club in Laban, Shillong. The event was organized by the Shillong Assamese Ladies Welfare Club to honor the life and legacy of the legendary cultural icon of Northeast India. Editor-in-Chief of Prague News, Prashant Rajguru, attended the event as the chief guest. In his address, he described Dr. Hazarika as a towering personality who made significant contributions across various domains including music, literature, cinema and public life. He stated that Dr. Hazarika was not only a singer and composer but also a poet, playwright, filmmaker and political thinker whose work reflected deep commitment to social justice and cultural identity. Professor Jyotirmoy Pradhani of the Department of English, Northeastern Hill University, and the Regional Director of ICCR Shillong, N. Munish Singh, were present as guests of honor. They spoke on Dr. Hazarika's artistic genius and his role in giving voice to the aspirations of the people of the Northeast. Other dignitaries in attendance included renowned artist Raphael Wajri, eminent lawyer Anuradha Paul, and the president of the Shillong Assamese Ladies Welfare Club, Bhupen Hazarika. The celebration featured a series of music and dance performances inspired by the life and works of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, reflecting the cultural richness of the region he so passionately represented. The program concluded with the screening of a documentary film by filmmaker Fatima Nongri, which highlighted Dr. Hazarika's visits to Shillong and featured tributes from several prominent personalities. Among them were the Governor of Meghalaya, Sage Vijay Shankar, former MLA Manas Chaudhary, and artist Raphael Wajri, who recalled their personal interactions with Dr. Hazarika during the Matribhumi festival in Mumbai. Wajri reflected on the meaningful dialogues that took place during the event, particularly around the future of the Northeast.
So that was one reason he thought that I must go to Benares University. Going there, he realized that he was not supposed to get the admission. That now admission, সময় পাৰ হৈ গৈছে টকাৰো অভাৱ তাৰ লগৰবিলাকে তাক বুদ্ধি ক'লে যে তুমি এটা কাম কৰা এজনে তোমাক এডমিশ্যনটো দিব পাৰে he will have the vice chancellor himself vice chancellor তোমাক এডমিশ্যনটো দিব পাৰে তুমি তাৰ তাত যাব লাগিব ক'ব লাগিব আৰু
Hazarika, a politician Bhupen Hazarika, an unfathomable versatility in a single person. And it's very difficult to explain all the aspects of his life and works in a very limited time. Eto সম্ভৱ নহয় গতিকে মই দুটামান গান আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখলৈ আনি Bhupen Hazarika's life, his works and his relevance in today's India. আজিৰ ভাৰতত ভূপেন হাজৰিকাৰ প্ৰাসংগিকতা 100 বছৰৰ জন্মৰ 100 বছৰৰ পিছত ভূপেন হাজৰিকাৰ প্ৰাসংগিকতাৰ ওপৰত মই আলোচনা কৰিব বিচাৰিম মোক অকমান সহায় কৰিব আৰু কিয় সহায় কৰিব আপোনালোকে গম পাই থাকিব